Alright, some people think I'm nuts. This just proves it. Look at that, scraps everywhere. We got here aluminum. This whole ring, aluminum. Bottom steel. Look how easy this is. Cut. And then you pull. Ah, I'm gonna get it in pieces. There we go. That came off. Now, for the tin. This can probably just go in the tin bucket just the way it is, but I like to clean it up a little better. And there we have it. We got some aluminum for the aluminum bucket. That's 10. Got some aluminum for the aluminum bucket. Old dirty sheet. And some tin for the tin bucket. People think I'm crazy, but the scrapping adds up. And we got some cardboard that can be recycled. And some plastic that can be recycled. That goes in the recycle bag. Oh, just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.